Hello everybody. In this lesson, we will be studying solving two-step equations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve two-step equations in one variable. My name is Askar Khan and I'm the founder of Wisdom Outlined Academy. The only mission of ours is helping you learn. So welcome to this lesson. Let's try this problem out. What is the solution of 2x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15? Now remember, if we have to solve the equation for the variable, we need to keep the variable on one side of the equal sign and everything else on the other side of the equal sign. Now when we are solving equations, remember the first thing you will get rid of is addition or subtraction. You will remove addition by subtracting and you will remove subtraction by adding. The second thing you will get rid of are multiplication or division. You will remove multiplication by dividing and you will remove division by multiplying. So in this case, we have two operations. One is plus 3 and the other is multiplication of 2. So what is the first thing we will get rid of? We will remove plus 3. How do we remove addition? By subtraction. So minus 3 on both sides of the equal sign. So plus 3 and minus 3 cancels. We are left with 2x is equal to 15 minus 3, that's 12. Now how will we remove 2 that is multiplied by x? We remove multiplication by division. So divide by 2 on both sides. So x is going to be equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. This is the solution of this equation. Let's try this. What is the solution of 5 is equal to t over 2 minus 3? So we have two operations over here. One is subtraction and the other is division of 2. So let's see how we go about doing this. 5 is equal to t over 2 minus 3. Now what is the first thing you're going to remove? Subtraction. How will you remove subtraction? By adding 3 on both sides. So we add 3 on both sides of the equal sign. Minus 3 and plus 3 cancels. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 is equal to t over 2. In other words, t divided by 2. Now how will you remove division? By multiplication. So you will multiply by 2 on both sides. So what happens? T is equal to 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is the solution of this equation. Let's use an equation to model a real world problem. You are making a bulletin board to advertise community service opportunities in your town. You plan to use half a sheet of construction paper for each ad. So for every ad, you're going to use half the sheet of paper. You need 5 sheets of construction paper for title banner. You have 18 sheets of construction paper. How many ads can you make? You can make a guess. Let's go about solving this. Let A be the number of ads that we can make. For every ad, we need half a sheet of paper. So in other words, half of A will be the sheet of paper we require. And how many sheets do we need for a banner? 5 sheets. So plus 5 sheets. The total number of sheets should make up to be 18 because we have 18 sheets. So is equal to 18. So we have modeled this word problem in the form of an equation. Once we have done this, it's very easy to solve for A now. So what is it that you will get rid of first? Addition. How? By subtracting. So let us subtract 5 on both sides of the equal sign. So plus 5 and minus 5 cancels. Half of a, I can write it as a over 2 is equal to 18 minus 5 is 13. And how will I remove division of 2? By multiplication. So I multiply by 2 on both sides. So I can cancel 2 and I am left with a is equal to 13 times 2 is 26. So I can have 26 ads made out of these 18 sheets of paper. So this is how you model a word problem. Once you translate it into an equation, it becomes very easy to solve. Let's try this. What is the solution of x minus 7, the whole thing divided by 3 is equal to negative 12? Now, if you observe this fraction over here, the numerator has the terms x minus 7 and the denominator is one number. So the first thing you will get rid of is the division of 3. X minus 7, the whole thing is divided by 3 is equal to negative 12. So first get rid of the 3. How will you get rid of the division? By multiplying by 3 on both sides. So what happens? This 3 cancels with this 3. So we are left with x minus 7 is equal to negative 12 times 3, 36. Now, how will you get rid of negative 7? You add 7 on both sides. So minus 7 and plus 7 gets cancelled. X is equal to negative 36 plus 7 is equal to negative 29. So this is the solution of this equation. Can you try this? What is the solution of 6 is equal to x minus 2, the whole thing is divided by 4. So you can pause the video, give a try. So 6 is equal to x minus 2, the whole thing is divided by 4. So what is the first thing you will get rid of? The division of 4. How? By multiplying by 4 on both sides. So 4 cancels over here. 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 is equal to x minus 2. Now what will you get rid of? Minus 2. How? By adding 2 on both sides. So x is equal to 24 plus 2, 26. Bravo, that's good. Let's try this. What is the solution of negative t plus 8 is equal to 3? When there is no number multiplied with the variable, you can consider it, or it is 1. So we can rewrite this whole equation as negative 1t plus 8 is equal to 3. Now what is the first thing you're going to get rid of? Plus 8. How? By minus 8 on both sides. So plus 8 and minus 8 cancels. Negative 1t is equal to 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Now what will you get rid of? Negative 1 minus 1, which is multiplied by t. How will you get rid of multiplication? By division. So divide by negative 1 on both sides. So negative 1 cancels with negative 1. You're left with t is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. 5 divided by 1 is 5. So the solution is t is equal to 5. Let's try this. What is the solution of x over 3 minus 5 is equal to 4? Be very careful over here. The whole thing is not divided by 3. Only the variable x is divided by 3 and minus 5 is something separate. So what is the first thing you're going to remove? Minus 5. How? By adding 5 on both sides. So minus 5 cancels with plus 5. So x over 3 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, how will you remove the division of 3? By multiplication. So you multiply by 3 on both sides. So x is equal to 9 times 3, 27. So that is the solution of this equation. So we have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and understood it. Do keep practicing. My name is Askar Khan and I run the Wisdom Outline Coaching Academy. If you need any help in math lessons, you can WhatsApp me on this number and do leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe and share this channel with one and all.